The Gigabyte A520i AC is a powerhouse of a motherboard, offering an impressive feature set in a compact Mini-ITX form factor. With its direct 6-phases digital PWM and 55 ADRMOS, this motherboard provides efficient and stable power delivery to your AMD Ryzen AM4 processor. The inclusion of gaming GBE LAN ensures fast and reliable network connectivity, perfect for online gaming and streaming. One of the standout features is the Intel Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth module, which offers seamless wireless connectivity, ideal for those who want to build a sleek and cable-free system. The NVMe PCIe 3.0x 4M.2 slot provides lightning-fast storage options, ensuring your system boots up and loads applications in a flash. In terms of display interfaces, the A520i AC doesn't disappoint, offering a trio of options: HDMI, DisplayPort, and DVD. This versatility ensures you can connect a wide range of displays, from modern high-resolution monitors to older DVI-equipped screens. The QFlash Plus feature is a real-time saver, allowing for easy BIOS updates without the need to install an operating system. This ensures your system is always running the latest and most stable BIOS version. Overall, the Gigabyte A520i AC is an excellent choice for those looking to build a powerful yet compact system. It offers a great balance of features, performance, and connectivity, making it a top pick for Mini-ITX enthusiasts and those seeking a small form factor build without compromising on power.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.